Imagine a wig so seamless, people think it's your real hair.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby squad up.
Today I'm spilling all the secrets on how to achieve that with Klaiyi's Yaki textured wig. If you're ready to take your wig game to the next level, hit that subscribe button and keep watching to see the full transformation.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies. It's our encore.
When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow. Wind it up all night, baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is cold. You been waiting on me to solve it for me.
I just got off TikTok live. I had a really good time filming this smoky eye look with you guys. If y'all want me to film a makeup tutorial for YouTube on this look, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. So far, all we did was lay this wig down with a little bit of spray, tied down the elastic band, and then we went ahead and hot combed the top of the wig to help it to lay nice and flat. Y'all were telling me how good this install looked on TikTok, and I agree. It It looks very natural, very flawless. The texture of this hair straight out of the box is really nice. I'm gonna zoom in so y'all can get a close-up on this texture. It has a bit of coarseness to it, but it's like a light Yaki type, and I love that. So look at the texture of this, y'all. So pretty. I hope y'all can see that it's textured on camera, and the lace looks like it's growing out of my scalp. So we're gonna straighten this hair just a little bit just to see what the texture looks like. Once you straighten it, I'm gonna go in with this Kerastase elixir. Just a little bit of this stuff goes a long way, honestly. And I'm just gonna take it in the hair. I love the way this stuff smells, and then when I straighten the hair with this oil, it just looks so good. I love this on my natural hair, love this on my wigs. If you have not picked this oil up, you need it in your life, okay? Next, we're gonna flat iron the hair. This is my Chi original flat iron, and you can flat iron this hair up to 150 degrees. So let's see what that's gonna look like. I'm gonna just take my comb and then the flat iron, and we're gonna straighten this baby. It still has texture, but it just looks so nice. It's not silky, y'all. This looks like our hair when it's flat ironed. And you see, I'm taking big chunks of it. Like, get into this. So look at this, y'all. I just flat ironed the hair really quickly, and you can see the difference. It just makes the hair look a little bit more sleek than this side, but both sides are very beautiful. So let's go ahead and straighten this side as well.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night?
Alright, loves, that's the look. I hope that this Klaiyi wig install gave you all the inspo that you needed to step your wig game up. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Klaiyi Hair, I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box, as well as any coupon codes that they provide your girl with so you can save some coin. So now that you stepped up your wig game, it's time to get into this look right here. If you're interested in seeing how I do a full face glam, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep the party going and click the video right here.